So in this video, I'll be unboxing the YJ MGC 4x4. So let's start.
Like a Hellcat.
So this cube comes along with this box. So first, let's check what is inside this box. So here we have a tensioning tool. Next we have some extra springs, more springs and extra magnets. And finally we have a pamphlet on how to solve the 4x4, I guess. So now let's go back to the cube. So what I basically did was I lubed it with a weight file lube and tightened the screws by 180 as I felt the cube was very unstable. So now let's see the difference. So the cube feels way smoother now and turns even better than before. So now let's try parity. Just after I had looped the cube, it was very slippery and unstable. But after 5 to 6 solves, it became really smooth and stable, and it felt really good. So now let's talk about the cube. So the cube is 60 mm in size and weighs about 115 grams. Now in comparison with my previous 4x4, which is the qiyi thunderclap, this cube is smaller and lighter. So the qiyi thunderclap is 62 mm in size and weighs about 126 grams. This cube is non-magnetic but is really smooth and amazing for its price. I bought this cube about 4 years back. So first let's check the corner cutting of this cube. So the corner cutting, as you can see, is extremely bad. And now the reverse corner cutting, it's almost the same as the YJ MGC 4x4. So now let's check the corner cutting on the YJ MGC. So it can corner cut above this lane, 45-degree, no chance, and over here, the middle of this piece, yes it can. So now let's check the reverse corner cutting. So it's not bad, it's pretty good. So if you're thinking that the qiyi thunderclap was my first 4x4, then you're absolutely wrong. My first 4x4 was, actually I don't want to say, you can guess it down in the comments. It's really simple. So when I use the qiyi thunderclap, I used to average around 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and this has been far improved by the YJ MGC 4x4, and now I average sub 2 minutes. So finally, I would recommend the YJ MGC 4x4 to anyone who wants to get faster at 4x4 and also doesn't have a magnetic 4x4 yet.